Hey everyone, welcome back to the Custom Cones USA channel. Gina here, and today we're going to show you two premium pre-rolled cone options perfect for filling with your top shelf flower. Our luxury ceramic and glass tipped cones have an unmistakably higher quality look and feel over traditional pre-rolled cones. With the infused and top shelf segments of the pre-roll sector continuing to grow, these are a must-have for any pre-roll brand. We offer our premium glass and ceramic tip cones in a 1 gram size, which measures 90 millimeters tall. Both the glass and ceramic tips are available in both unrefined brown and refined white rolling paper. You can also get both options with a totally custom branded cigar band. We can die cut any special shape, use premium foils in gold or other colors, and you can even custom color the silicone plug to match. These premium pre-rolled cones are guaranteed to stand out on dispensary shelves. Paired with a simple glass tube, the exposed glass filler tip and the classic white ceramic tip make an impression on both bud tenders and consumers alike. These premium cones fit in the standard tray on our king cone and are also sized to fit in most industry standard knock boxes. The rubber plugs provide extra protection to these filters during packaging and also serve as protection in your final packaging like glass tubes. Now let's take a closer look at our ceramic tipped cones, which provide a cooler and smoother smoking experience compared to traditional paper filters. The key lies in the holes at the top of the filter. These not only help keep particles out of your mouth, but they also help create a smoother smoking experience. Additionally, the ceramic material absorbs heat, creating a cooling effect that helps your customer better enjoy your cannabis instead of being distracted by harsh smoke. If you need more convincing that you should have this type of premium pre-roll for your brand, these cones are just like the ceramic tip jeter joints, which is currently the top-selling brand in California, one of the country's most robust and competitive cannabis markets. Compared to the traditional 1 gram pre-roll, which is made using a 109 millimeter pre-rolled cone, these glass and ceramic tipped cones are a little bit shorter. That's because the premium tip is wider at the base, making the entire pre-roll a bit wider from top to bottom and thus shorter when filled to hold a full gram. Next, let's dive deeper into our luxury glass tipped cones, which much like our ceramic tip cones, have a cooling effect on the smoke and a more premium look and feel for top shelf cannabis products. As you can see, the stainless steel filter at the top helps keep particles out and allows cooled smoke in, creating a smooth and memorable smoking experience that your customers will want to repeat time and time again. Remember, both the glass and ceramic tip cones are in stock and ready to ship, so you can get this product added to your pre-roll line right away. And once you are ready to add branding, you can easily upgrade to custom cigar bands with premium finishes. And of course, both options work perfectly in the standard tray of the king cone and most other industry standard knock boxes, so you can load them into your pre-roll production process without delay, and best of all, no more hand rolling or hand packing. Our team of pre-roll experts are always available to call or email about any questions, send you samples, or get started on your custom design today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button to see what our team of pre-roll experts are rolling out next.